garden every day. Mud on fingers, dirt on thumb, sticky hands, oh here they come. Mama smiled and softly said, time to wash those hands instead. Soap and water swirl around, scrub until they're super sound. Rub the palms, 1, 2, 3, back of hands, now follow me. Between the fingers, not too fast, clean, clean hands will always last. Round the thumbs, give them a hug, wash the nails, scrub a scrub, rinse the bubbles, splash, splash, splash. Happy hands in one big dash, dry them gently, pat, pat, pat. Now they're clean and that is that. Mia smiles fresh and bright, clean hands feel just right. So every time before you eat, or after playtime on your feet, remember this, it's fun, not tough. Washing hands is smart stuff.
Welcome to Cutilulu, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe now!